digging footings for an elementary school, a Caterpillar D8R, and a Trimble guided GPS system. As you can see right there, there is our story pole with our GPS sensors at the top. There's a Caterpillar D8R with a semi-U Bulldozer blade. You can see my footings I've dug so far. Work is well underway. Let's hop in the cab and let me show you around. Hi again. Here we are in the cab with my Cat D8R. You see, I have a nice office with a nice view. Blue skies all around. Also, I'd like to mention, today is our Independence Day here in the U.S. for all you international followers. Now, let's get down to business. Let me show you around. Right here, as you can see, is my decelerator. Yes, that's right, decelerator. That means when I let off, it revs up, and when I push down, it revs down. Here's my brake. If you look closely, here are my monitor gauges. Hydraulic, transmission, engine, and fuel. Pretty standard, really. Now let's look around at my controls. Right here is my blade control. Up, down, left, right. Real simple. Here's my ripper control. Up, down, and when I press this button, in and out. And to my left, that was my park brake. Here's my gear selector. First gear, second, third, and then forward and reverse. Now this is just the machine part. This is a pretty standard configuration for a bulldozer. Hasn't changed much in many years, and even to the day, the new D8Ts, they're similar in the way they're configured. Let me show you the cool part. The cool part is my Trimble GPS guided control system. I have a screen in the cab that lets me know where I'm at in the X, Y, and Z axis at all times in real time. What that means is I know my northing, my easting, and my elevation, no matter what. I plug in a model that tells me what this job site is supposed to look like, and I follow it through. And I adjust accordingly. Right now I'm cutting footings, so I'm cutting 3 feet below finished concrete grade, all the way around the perimeter of the job. Later today, I will be cutting underneath the slab, the concrete slab, the finished floor. I'll be cutting 6/10 underneath that to account for some compaction, 4 inches of gravel, and 5 inches of concrete. We work in 10th foot while we're working with GPS and really any civil type of work. 10th foot is, instead of inches, we break down a foot into 1/10 of a foot. Self-explanatory. Now, let's get to the fun part. As you can see right here, this is my Trimble GPS guided control screen. It tells me exactly where I'm at. So let me zoom out. As you can see, everywhere there is a red line, that's the perimeter of the school. I follow that red line all the way around, and those are my footings. That little yellow and black dot right there, that is my bulldozer. Let me zoom in so you can see me better. So here I am. Isn't it cute? Right now I have it set, as you can see from the red edge of my blade and the green line, I have it set for one pole to read and it to read on that one corner of my blade. I can set for both poles to read or one pole to read and read off of the center of my blade. Now, this is a really easy system for anybody to hop in and pretty much go. Let me explain. As you can see right here, it tells me I need to cut down 0.15 of a foot in order for me to get to the grade that I want. I have it set to cut it 2 feet and 85 below finished floor so that we may have 3 feet after compaction for the footings and foundation. Now, the easy part about this GPS guided control system is this button right here. This button, I hit it, and you hear that beep? Now the machine is controlling itself. All I have to do is raise and lower the blade before and after I dig, and then steer the machine in the right path for me to cut to the right grade. It's all done by satellite and a computer with it in the cab. Real simple, huh? This right here, I will tell my machine to cut more, or I can tell my machine to cut less. But this turns it on. This is the automatic blade control. I'll be honest, it makes my life easy. Now, with this machine, I've cut every one of the footings, and I've cut the slab. I have approximately 200 more feet to go, and I will finish this elementary school. Pretty neat, huh?